morning, this is Miss Alsamani. I wanted us to talk about the poetry and short story essay. So I'm going to go over the topic sheet with you, and feel free to send me any questions you may have after this video. So the rough draft for this essay is going to be due Tuesday, November 17th by midnight in the discussion board. So that'll be peer reviewed, of course. And the final draft due date is Sunday, November 22nd by midnight, and that's going to be in the Content Week 6 folder. This essay is worth 20% of your final grade, and essays should be at least 800 words in length. The formatting is 12-point Times New Roman font, double space with MLA heading and style. And I want to remind you that MLA, the best example for the heading is page 161 in the Little Seagull textbook. You have to have a works cited page with the literary works cited, but I'm going to show you the second page of this topic sheet. I've already done the citations for you. So depending on which literature you write on, you would copy and paste that citation for your works cited page. And these citations do count towards your word count as well. So, say if you write about both of the Browning's poems, you would have those 2 citations on your works cited page. But if you just choose one Shakespearean sonnet, you would have 1 citation. And you can copy and paste this because I've got the Word document in the week 4 folder. So you can copy and paste the electronic version. You don't need any outside sources for this essay. I want it to be solely based on your opinion of the literature. So don't look at Shmoop or Sparks Notes or Wikipedia or anything like that. No outside sources are needed for this. It's just your opinion about what we've read. So here are some topic ideas. I've got comparing and contrasting 2 characters, imagery, themes, love, how the author's message is or is not relevant, how the conclusion is foreshadowed, setting, symbolism, death in the afterlife. So there's a lot of options on here, but say if you had some really good discussion answers and I've given you guidance on those already, and you have an idea that doesn't necessarily fit into these topics, just talk to me about it. I'll most likely approve it based off kind of what information you give me. So if you want to email me an idea of an essay topic that might not necessarily fit these topics, that's fine as well, as long as it's based off of one or more of the literature that we've read so far. So the options are Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day? That's a poem or sonnet. My Mistress's Eyes Are Nothing Like the Sun, another poem or sonnet. And then My Last Duchess and How Do I Love Thee as well. Those are both by Browning's. One is Robert Browning and one is Elizabeth Barrett Browning. I've got the page numbers on here as well. These page numbers correspond to the Norton textbook that we use for this class. Don't forget that there is a final draft late submission rule. If it's after the day that it's due for the final draft, it's 10 points off every day late. So just try to turn in your essays on time and you won't have to worry about that. All final drafts are going to be graded using our grading rubric, which is on the Getting Started page of Blackboard. And they're also scanned with anti-plagiarism software. And in this situation, it's especially helpful because I don't want you guys to just find information online about the poems and include that. I want it to be your opinion, your own original thoughts about the literature. I've got a spot for brainstorming and outlining. You don't necessarily have to use it, but I've noticed in the past students taking notes on these topic sheets. I just wanted to provide some space for you to take notes about different ideas you might want to explore in your essays. And like I said, I've got the works cited page done for you. It's correctly formatted, so as long as you paste it with formatting, you would have a correct works cited page. And just remember to only use the citations for literature that you are actually writing about. So don't copy and paste all 4 of these if you're only writing about 2. So just let me know if you have any questions about this essay, or how to organize your ideas or anything. I'm happy to help. And I'm always here to help you guys, even though we're online. You can always call, email, stop by my office, whatever's best for you. So hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.